Hello everyone, my dear students and colleagues. In this presentation, I will discuss briefly stridor and wheezes. Stridor results from turbulence of airflow through narrowed extrathoracic airways, regardless to the cause of obstruction. Whatever the cause of obstruction, stridor results from narrowed extrathoracic airways, while wheezes results from turbulence of airflow through narrowed intrathoracic airways. Stridor occurs during inspiration, so it is an inspiratory event, but may be biphasic if the obstruction is severe, may be inspiratory and expiratory, while wheezes occur during expiration, so wheezes is an expiratory event. Also, it may be biphasic if the obstruction is severe. If the obstruction is severe, there will be inspiratory and expiratory wheezes. In this video, we will hear inspiratory stridor in its sleepy child. So it is a typical inspiratory stridor due to laryngitis. But in this video, we will hear biphasic stridor due to foreign body present in the larynx. In this video, we will hear expiratory wheezes, monophasic wheezes, and we can observe also in this patient signs of respiratory distress as tachypnea and working LNSI, but the wheeze is only expiratory. In this video, we will hear biphasic wheezes. There is severe intrathoracic airway obstruction resulting in inspiratory and expiratory wheezes. Of course, the wheezes in these videos are so loud that they can be auscultated or heard without a stethoscope, but wheezes may be found to be heard only with a stethoscope. Thank you very much.